In today's video, I will be showing to you how you will be able to make a sustainable farm in Cropbytes. So this is an easy tutorial that I'm going to show. So make sure to drop in, and also do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates right here. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so first thing that you need to see here is before you buy a lot of animals, before you you huddle, before you invest or you want to make a move here, you actually want to look forward into your well. Okay, so this is my first mistake that I have here. It is because I do have a lot of animals. As you can see here, I got 19 hens, I got 13 goats, and as you can see, my health is even at 1%. Okay, my cows is at 1.63%, and the reason why is that this farm is not sustainable. And how you'll be able to change it? By adding more wells into your Cropbytes farm, because wells can give you water, and when you are needed, when you need to feed your goats, your cow, your horse into their respective shed, you actually need a water. So if you're just having a small well with this kind of capacity, the chances are you're just wasting your time here, and also you won't be able to make money here, because for you to be able to get necessary in-game materials in Cropbytes, you need to have at least 80% of the animal life. So this is the what I'm talking about. You need at least 80% health for you to for them to be able to produce an egg, for them to produce a milk or other in-game items as well. So you'll be able to see it here. So these are the extracts that you will be able to get. You can get a milk, an egg, a truffles, a wool, a feather, a fur, and even a power. So that is the reason why I'm not able to progress further on, even though I do have a lot of assets value. And also, if you have a budget for this, actually a fishing, okay, fishing is it's actually cheap. I mean actually expensive. So if you can afford to buy a lake for 13,000 TRX, it is also a good thing, because water you can use, or you can exchange your water anytime into the market over here. Let's say you want to you need some water, or you have an overflowing amounts of water, you can always change it directly inside this platform. So that's also a nice thing over here, because if you have an additional, or you have an overflowing supply, you can always use it to any stuff, or even sell it into the marketplace in Cropbytes ecosystem. Okay, so this is pretty much the thing that you need to do. And also take in mind that you need to convert these GCs that you have. So you have an extract into your animals, right? And then you need to convert it into a GC. So also you need to convert this GC into a TRX, so that you will be able to earn money. You'll be able to transfer rather this TRX into your Binance TRX account, for you to be able to make money, and also get your return of investment as well. So again, this is not a financial advice, guys. Do not invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research, and be careful, and also assume that every projects are rug pull. So of course they need to prove themselves first, and then probably it will help you to make a decisions after that. Okay, so there's also a USDT airdrop mania that is being launched by Cropbytes. So you'll be able to know more about it into this Gitbook article, I guess, or Gitbook page. I'm also going to put it into the description box below. So the deadline for submissions is at November 3. So it doesn't matter if you have a following or not. The moment that you are shilling or also creating a video for Cropbytes, doing a tutorial, doing any some sort of of content about Cropbytes, you'll be able to get $15 worth of USDT, or also you can pick if you want to buy or you want to receive it via TRX, which you can also use inside the game as well. Um, so this is the step one. So you can pick a topic. So you're just going to create a Cropbyte. So you're more like content creator here, and also you're just going to fill up the submission form over here. So also you will also put the link into the post, and you need to choose which airdrop do you prefer, whether it is on GC or USDT. And then if you're using an USDT airdrop, just share your Binance USDT RC20 wallets accepted. So there's no discrimination here, whether you have 10 followers on 100 followers, 1,000 followers, or just a really small group that you want to shield. And as long as it is public and it is being accessed online, you can participate here, okay? And not only that, you will be able to use your own referral link on top of that. So also you will be able to enjoy, and of course I will be putting my referral link as well, so that you will be able to get free chickens, free up to small well in terms of NFT items in Cropbytes as well. So this is everything that I know right now about Cropbytes. This is everything that you should know, and also you should do if you are playing Cropbytes already, or probably you are just starting out and you are hovering on what kind of play to earn games that you can play, which is also Cropbytes is one of those lists inside. So do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.